how to register Bolt driver's account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register a Bolt driver account. If you're looking to start earning money as a Bolt driver, the registration is super simple. So let's get started. I'll walk you through each and every step. First things first, if you haven't, go to your app store and simply search for Bolt driver app. Now simply tap on it to download. Once the app is installed, simply click on open. Now you'll see the option to sign up or register. Simply click on sign up. Now you'll need to fill in personal details. This includes your full name, email address, phone number, and the city. And after that, you can simply click on register as driver. Make sure to carefully read the terms and conditions. Once you've read them, check the box to accept them and proceed with the registration. Now you'll be prompted to enter your driver's license information and vehicle details. You'll need to also upload a clear image of your driver's license. After filling in all the necessary details, tap on submit and your application will be sent to Bolt for review. Once you've submitted your application, Bolt will review your information, and if everything checks out, they'll approve you as a driver. And that's it. You've successfully registered as a Bolt driver and you're ready to start earning.